naman kayo, halimbawa nagdito kayo naglalakad.
At higit sa lahat, Joey, kailangan mo yan para ikaw ay magiging
ang laki sa layaw, karaniway hubad, sa bait at ngunit sa hatol ay salat.
Yung kabuuan ng ating mga values will lead to strong character. At yun yung pinaka-goal natin dito, yung ating mga kabataan from the city of Baguio would really know yung mga pinapahalaga nila sa buhay at yung mga bagay na hindi kasama sa mahalaga nilang paglago.
Sabi ko sa inyo, i-involve ko kayo sa kaso. Bilang i-emphasize yung right to education dito, di ba?
On my part, breakdown ko lang sa lima. So basically, it start off with the right to life. Pangalawa, yung right to education. Next will be the right to protection from the state. The right to play and the right to express yung kanilang mga views.
Kung may gate kayo, sarado nyo yung gate. Bantayan nyo yung kapatid nyo na mas bata sa inyo.
We are very thankful to the Rotary Club of Creative Baguio for involving the Baguio Central School for their project, kick-off project. And it was a productive half day actually. Nag-enjoy naman yung mga bata, grade 1, grade 2 and grade 3. Nag-enjoy sila sa storytelling and yung lecture about values ni Pastor. And for the grade 6 also, na I'm sure nag-enjoy din sila and marami silang natutunan about yung rights nila as children. So,
Unite for Good. Today is the celebration of Rotary New Year 2025-2026. At sa ngayon, we launched this specific program. I am empowered. Unite for Kids' Future. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin ng unity para po maibigay po natin itong basic education support sa ating mga mag-aaral. So, why Unite for Kids' Future? This is in alignment po sa Rotary theme natin ngayon, which is what we call as the Unite for Good. So, what you see right now is a basic literacy program.
Of course, we are thankful to the Rotary Club of Creative Baguio for choosing our school as their venue or as their venue for their kick-off program, which is literacy, and we are very thankful for that.